So I have a great way that you can get started into Forex with very little capital and really be able to grow your account and phase yourself after you have familiarized yourself with demo. Using high leverage of FX Glory, you can really make a lot of money if you're very careful, follow the rules of the broker very precisely, and you can scale yourself up. And I have devised three levels that you can go about scaling your trading if you see this: gold, silver, and bronze. So real quick, this is how you get yourself and scale yourself into a lot of money. Really, with FX Glory, you're given a lot of leverage. So for you enable the 3001 leverage, and then you start on a $50 account. You're going to give a $25 bonus. You'll have $75. If you have a good trading system, you just keep reloading, reloading, reloading. Eventually, you will hit it big. You'll multiply out your money a few times, and you'll even out your losses. So what you do is you trade on .01s, .02s at the most, but never a .05 on a $50 account. Once you master the $50 account, you go to the 300. Then you're going to be given another $150 with the bonus. Each time you reload, each time you go back in, restart the account, you keep your risk consistent. So if you're doing .01s and you do open up a few positions of .01s, you do that every time. You get comfortable with it. Don't dollar cost average down too much. Buy into the money, maximize those gains, be out a little bit after 7 minutes, which is what the broker requires, and then you could get yourself into an $800 account, which is if you're very experienced. With an $800 account, you're going to be given a massive bonus of another $400. You have a $1,200 account. With this, you can buy half standard lots, bigger lots, and scale yourself higher and higher. That's the big thing, is that you want to start small. Everyone thinks $50 is nothing. Starting off, most traders say, I don't have $1,000. You don't need $1,000. You just need $50 to start yourself with one account. Yeah, you need to have money for a few reloads. Let's keep it realistic. But you just want to get down the skill. After you demo trade, you go into the $50 accounts. You keep reloading, keep reloading, keep reloading the $50 accounts, and eventually, once you make a few thousand out of that $50, you scale up to the 300. Then from the 300, you make yourself 10 grand. Once you have 10 grand in the pocket, then you can go into $800 accounts and get bigger and bigger and bigger. And then you don't ever need to go beyond 800. It's just too much money, I think. And in fact, I actually kind of almost usually prefer just 300s. Even though I'm experienced now and I can do this, you don't really need to go too much higher than that, because it's just a number I've worked well with most of the time. Sometimes I go 500s, and I'll use .25s or buy like a few lots and then be out. It's almost like a scalping method in a way, some will say, but you're not using seconds. You're getting a nice move out of it, and then you reload. If you're wrong, if I put 500, I lose 500, or if I put 50, I lose 550. But then I reload. You just try again. You reload, try again. I lose $200, and then I win the next few trades, and I win big on the third. This method is meant to have you always trying to gain more than you're going to risk. So I really hope that this is a great method that you can try out. I think this method is one of the best methods to scale your trading. There's many other ways to do it, but if you're disciplined, focused, and have a good trading methodology, you can become a profitable trader using this type of method going through this.